Hello guys, what is going on? TECHROOMUK here. So for today's video we have a walking pad from a company called Kingsmith. This is basically used for office. It's like a treadmill, but it's super tiny and it's also foldable from what I know. So basically I want to show you quickly the box. This is how it comes. It's super well packed. It's very heavy, by the way. It has some battery warnings and everything, so everything is up to standard. This is how you will receive it, and make sure if you don't have enough strength, make sure you have someone to help you, but it's manageable with one person. So I don't have obviously space on my desk to film this, so I'll film it on the floor. And yeah, that's how you get it. This is what it is. So again, walking pad from company called Kingsmith, and let's go ahead and open it right now. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we are going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. It's a bit of stuff, so let's go through it one by one. So we have a user manual right here with after sale service card, basically like a warranty. If you got any issues, give them a call or scan that QR code. It will send you to their email where you can contact customer support. We have additional oil. Basically this, I think it's to oil the cogs and everything that spin. From time to time you might have to do that. We have a Allen key. We have a remote right here with the included battery, which is pretty nice to see. It's actually a tiny remote, so I really like it. I think you can turn it on, increase and decrease the speed, and stuff like that. And we have the power cord. Basically it's a mains UK power cord. Pretty simple. I think it has a built-in power supply, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Just plug it and that's it. And we have the walking pad itself. Now it's folded, and right here on the top we have some instructions. So choose a flat ground, unfold it, adjust the bell, make sure it's centered, press the power button after you plug in the cord, and unlock all functions by following two ways, otherwise the speed limit remains at 3 kilometers an hour. Walk it's 1 kilometer on the device, then reboot to unlock all functions. Complete the novice guide by KS Fit app to unlock all features, and you can get the app right here. If we have a look on the bottom, we have some silicone wheels right here on both sides. We have a power button switch right here. I don't know if you guys can see, there you go, power button. And we have the port for the power supply. Basically you get that cable right there and you plug it in and everything should be fine. And now let's just go ahead and unfold it. So to unfold it is pretty simple. Just grab it, put it up, and then while it's like this you gotta press on it. There you go. You can adjust it to make sure it's centered. I think it's pretty centered right now. And you have the belt obviously, and you have two rollers. So you have one roller here and another roller there, and this will spin and basically you can walk on it. Yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. So for now let's go ahead and put it to the test. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything works. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how everything looks like when it's fully set up. Basically it's all folded, it's plugged in. You have a display right here. It's gonna show you how many steps you took, how much you traveled, and the speed. You also have a mode button right here on the side. So with this mode button you can change your mode. Maybe you want it slower, maybe you want it higher, maybe you want it automatic or manual. So right now it's on auto. Again, following the guide, you just take it off. It says here you have to unlock all functions by following two ways, otherwise the speed limit will remain at 3 kilometers an hour. Walk 1 kilometer on the device first, reboot to unlock all functions, or complete the novice guide on KS Fit app. This is how you get the app. Then on the back we have further instructions on how to get the app. So open the app, enter novice guide to unlock all functions, start using the pad. If the belt deviates from the orbit, please adjust properly with the Allen key. And the mode switch, I told you about the button, which is right here. Short press to return to previous, long press to switch to standby mode. For security purposes, please read the user manual carefully. So right now, being on auto mode, I should be able to just step on it. I have a counter. There we go. So right now the speed increases to 3 kilometers an hour, which is not that, it's not that fast, by the way. I mean, you can do this pretty quickly. Again, you have a step counter and everything, but I am not going to walk 1 kilometer on it while I'm filming because it's exhausting. But you guys get the point. Again, when you stop using it, just step out, just like so. You will stop, and that's it. Super convenient, especially if you are in an office or in or you have a busy schedule and you can't really go to the gym or jog outside, or basically right now in the UK it's cold, so there you go, you don't want to jog in the cold. This is the right option for you. It's not even jogging, it's more like a daily exercise thing. I'm pretty sure you can increase the speed once you complete the whole guide. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.